The Unicraft LED light column is the ideal solution when work areas need to be illuminated evenly and all around. With true 360-degree lighting, it ensures optimal visibility on construction sites as well as in workshops. The light column produces uniform, low-shadow illumination of the entire work area. An integrated, extendable LED spotlight is installed on the top of the device. The additional spotlight is flexible, tiltable, and swivelling, and delivers a light output of 3000 lumens for targeted illumination. The light column features 3 brightness levels: 100%, 50%, and 25%. This allows the light output to be optimally adjusted to the specific work situation while saving energy at the same time. Thanks to integrated transport wheels, the light column can be moved easily and comfortably. Additional carrying handles make it easier to lift and position the light column. A surrounding cable winder ensures tidiness and safe transport. 2 integrated sockets allow for the connection of external devices. The Unicraft LED light column, LLS 23002 AC, combines flexible all-around illumination with high mobility and well-thought-out operating convenience.